Mariah. As a lot of you know, I am a real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway, and I am joined today with my buddy Rockland. He is a loan officer, correct?
Yeah, loan officer, Flagstaff.
Loan officer, Flagstar Bank, and he is here to help educate you guys on the little to no money down financing options for buying a house. We're going to talk about rural development, FHA, VA, and conventional. So, Rockland, but we're just going to dig into it. We're going to keep this under 5 minutes. What's a rural development loan?
Rural development loans are loans for underdeveloped areas. Now, some people like to think it's only country, but places like Davison, Flushing, those are pretty much all RD areas. So those are all eligible for 0% down.
Okay, is there an income limit?
There's no income limit. It's usually about 82,700, but it also depends on family size and also the county.
Okay, different counties, different incomes.
Correct.
All right.
And different kinds of
Different,
size as well.
yeah,
You can make
all
a
of
little
it.
more money. Yeah.
Cool. And is there a credit score required to get an RD loan?
Yeah, you have to have a 640. There's a 620. You can go down to 620 with a credit waiver. It just depends on if they'll accept it and what's going on with credit.
Okay, awesome. And what percent down do
You
we
put
need?
zero down, but you can always put more. The rule is you just can't have 20% or more to get the rural development loans. There's an asset limit as well.
Okay. And now an FHA loan, what does that mean?
FHA is just a government loan. It helps 3.5% down. It comes with the loan amount is 314,827. That's the highest the loan amount can go to.
Okay, is there income limits to get an FHA loan?
No, you can make as much money as you want. There's not income limit on that. Make as much. The credit score is gonna have 600 minimum.
You gotta have a 600 for an
600
FHA.
minimum.
Okay.
You can go down to 580, but it's hard. You have to be kind of like perfectly in that range to make a 580 work.
Like a 580, but your credit's been getting better over time, maybe?
No, it's like a 580 and making sure that like you're just kind of newer to the credit game.
Okay.
You're a little younger to the game.
Okay. Awesome. And percent down? Did we cover that?
No,
Percent down for FHA?
3.5% for the down, but again, you can put more. So 3.5%, whatever your loan amount is.
All right, 3.5 for FHA. Now let's touch on VA. What is it? Who can get it?
VA, obviously veterans of the military, people that have served, they have to have their DD-214, which gives their certification eligibility, 0% down. And
0% down, VA.
You can go up to this conventional loan limit, so it's around 464, so you get the loan limit's higher.
Is there an income limit for
Nope,
VA?
you can make as much money as you want. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you serve, you help us, we help you.
Correct. And then also the credit score, you have to have a 600 minimum. Some for most places, some places are a little higher than that.
Yeah. And so we covered percent down. All right, cool. And conventional loan. What is that?
Yeah, conventional loan is just your more known loan, so to speak, besides FHA, and it's
Like the basic everyday
so
loan.
that one you can do a 3% down technically. It'd be a first time home buyer.
3% down.
Or 5% if you're not, or unlimited, obviously.
Okay.
And
Is there income limits to get conventional
nope,
loan?
you can have as much income as you want. We actually want more income, obviously, for those.
Yeah. Awesome. And is there a credit score required for a conventional?
Credit score, you gotta have a 620 for that credit for that loan product. Or higher. The higher the better on the conventional.
What do people do? I feel like you already said what people have to put down for conventional loan.
Oh yes, 3% for some, 5% or more.
The more you put down, the merrier, because
there's no mortgage insurance. The more you put down.
What is mortgage insurance, real quick?
Mortgage insurance is basically an insurance policy to the lender that if you don't have 20% down, that you're willing to pay that insurance.
Okay, basically, we're giving you our money.
Yep, and it's don't mess up.
And what am I forgetting? I feel like I'm forgetting something.
No, we're just gonna. Right now we're just gonna talk about the 4 loan products. As we go into further into the series, we'll talk a little bit more about closing costs and specialty loans of first-time home buyer programs like MISHDA. We have a specialty loan. Kind of dig deeper into like fees and what we need for what you need money-wise, asset-wise. I would say that in any kind of transaction, you're going to need about $1,500, coupled with your inspection, and then just $1,000, which we'll talk more about EMDs and how those work. And you need $1,500 to really do it.
About $1,500, maybe like 1,000, including your EMD inspections, all that.
Yeah,
it's really pushing it. Just so it's like as easy as it can be buying a house.
Well,
for you.
We want to make sure that we don't have it. It can be gifted, so grandma or grandpa wants to give you the money, or mom and dad. It's absolutely.
send you a letter. They have to go to their bank.
Yeah, we'll cover that in different series.
We're gonna learn, yeah. You're gonna learn, and because me and Rocky just spent the past hour going over like a bunch of loan stuff. There's so much that people might be hiding from you. So, best advice when people buy a house, what do you tell them? Shop what around for a house?
You gotta shop. You always gotta shop different lenders. See what I can do, what they can do, and see what happens. When we compete, obviously we're gonna try to do the best for you.
Yeah. He's a lender. He's telling you to shop your loan around. So you get that pre-approval letter, you take it somewhere else.
Correct. You want to make sure that my rate and fees are the lowest, or you're getting the best deal.
All right. Shop around. Guys, this is our first video. We're going to teach you the do's and don'ts of the mortgage process, and then we're going to go deeper into everything, FHA, RD, conventional, VA, and specialty loans. All right.
See you soon.
Yeah, see you soon. Bye.